Hello and welcome back to Boopolo channel. My name is Pascal. Today I am going to do a review of a Crescent Wiss Aviation Snips straight set. I decided I needed to get a new one. I have this old one here, this old Stanley. I have it for several years. It probably needs a bit of a tightening on the knot. It's still cutting, but it's not as sharp as it used to be. Both of them have safe. They look identical almost if you look at them. The Crescent Wiss has been around for a long time, since the 40s, I think. So what is a compound cutter, aviation snips or cutter? What it means by compound is that there's two pivot points. So when you push here, this one goes in, you push this one in. So it's kind of geared. Okay, that's the proper word to say for it. So they claim, Wiss Wiss are made in the US. They claim that this will cut up to 1.2 millimeters, which is gauge 18, I think. That's the standard you would be cutting it. There's a left and a right one if you're going left and right, or there's a left and a right. This is the straight one. When you're doing metal like this, you really should wear gloves, okay? So because you can cut your finger off the side of it. So we're going to test it on this gauge, I think 22 or 24, and we will see how it cuts. Oh, amazing. This is like cutting like a scissors cutting paper. I know this is not very heavy gauge, but I can do curve cuts here like this. Now, the problem with a straight one, it's very hard to do a right-handed cut. But this is, honestly, this is like cutting paper. That's way sharper than my Stanley there. Now, I've got a heavier gauge one. This is roofing material, and it's 0.7. I think, I'm not sure what size it is anyway, but we will try and cut it. It has ridges in it, so I will try and cut it anyway where it's going, where it's overlapped here, and we will see will it do that. Whoa, so it cut double there. There was a double there, so actually there was treble there. So I cut 3 times the gauge there in one snip. Not a mark on these, not at all. And we're going to cross ridges now. So it is a little bit difficult with a right-handed snip to go left, but I can go left on it. It's just that the material itself is going the wrong way. So you would go the other way, you would go this way to go inwards. That's why we have angled ones. But this is so sharp. This is so sharp here, I don't want to put my fingers on it. Yeah, this is, you can use this for cutting various things. You can use it for cutting plastic as well. To have a good aviation snips is really important, you know. So yeah, I like this one. I'll be using this one now. This one will be set aside if someone wants to borrow one. I'll give them this one. It still cuts. What's the length of it? According to their website, it's 9 3/4. It's 9 3/4, plus a tiny little bit more for the rubber on the end. And it's funny enough, the Stanley was the same. So yeah, I'm happy with that. Thank you very much for watching. And if you like this video or any of our other videos, please subscribe.